afternoon. We talk about the story of production process. How did technology evolve with the evolution of manufacturing? Our double is made up for Luana Ded and Marina Lima. We talk about introduction, what is industry, timelines, before industrial revolution, after industrial revolution, industry 5.0, and conclusion. So, technology has been replacing human workers even before the Lucy labor movement, which as early as 1811 was against the mechanization of work during the Industrial Revolution in England. This stimulus caused unemployment, according to Marx, 1989, of 100,000 workers in the same country. According to Singer, 1998, our industrial revolution triggered an increase in productivity, bringing technological unemployment as an immediate consequence. The stage of the Industrial Revolution comprised the various moments since the beginning of the advance of the industrial process, which began in English in the 18th century. It is divided into three phases. First Industrial Revolution, Second Industrial Revolution, and Third Industrial Revolution. The First Industrial Revolution, so to speak, is a production of technology, and the internet is one of the most important variables in the equation. Industry 4.0. This is one of the innovations launched by the for Industrial Revolution. New ways of thinking about the industry are varied realities around the world, and workers are noticing the changes. What is industry? Industry are companies or organizations that have the objective of transforming raw materials into service and trad- tradable goods. The industry emerged with the industrial revolution in England, moving from manual production methods to machines. According to the economy, industry can be classified in the four sectors: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Now, we talk about timelines industrial revolution starting before the industrial revolution. Before the Industrial Revolution, the production of work was manufactured. That is, the manufacture of products was divided between people and machines, represented by manual work. Most of the population lived in the fields, not having great means of communication between peoples and countries. Communication was done through the letters, which took a long time, and transport was done by wagons, which took a long time. Before the industry arrived in England, the land was maintained by herds of sheep from which a large amount of wool was obtained and sold abroad. Being one of the factors that made England rich. Wool also brought great growth and development due to inputs and service and labor. Production was carried out manually, which caused a delay in the realization of goods and low quantity. And communication at that time was carried out by letters. The agrarian revolution was responsible for the great growth of cities. People lived their homes in the countryside and migrated to large urban centers, initiating a major urbanization process. As England had number proprietors, it was separated into parts of land to be divided among some portions of the population. With the inclusion law, there was a large displacement of the rural population to the city, causing the rural exodus. It was through the rural exodus that the expansion of rural property occurred. There was an increase in raw materials provision labor in the factories.
Now, Industrial Revolution. It, it is divided in the three phases. SH1 was responsible for the important events during a certain period. The first phase was characterized by the steam engine. The second for advances in communication, such as the advent of the plane, telephone, and television, and the third phase is defined by technological growth and the advancement of biotechnology. The first phase took place in the 38th century between 1760 and 1860, characterized by machine making and industry. In the, period of the Great Advance was the new types of industry, mainly the textile industry, in the which it gained a great production due the implantation of machines that helped to weave the trees in the first and more systemic way. The evolution in the industry and the development in the production line combination with electric steel and mainly all established the second phase of the Industrial Revolution appropriate between the second half of the 39th century. It was through all this advancement and increased productivity that the airplane came into being and the rail and sea transport become first in the addition. It was also possible for a great number of people to move around in the less time while a much larger from the productions begin to move. What? No. The evolution industry on the no, sorry. The evolution industry and development in the production line combined con electricity and made all establish the second phase on the Industrial Revolution approximate between the second half of the 19th century. It was through all this advancement and increased productive that the airplane came in begin and rail and sea transport become first. In addition, it was also possible for a great number of people to move around in the less time, while a much larger from the production begins to move. The third phase of the Industrial Revolution occurs in the middle of the century called the Techno-Scientific Revolution. In the was introduced short after the Second World War. It broadened now the type of industries involving the scientific field such as electronics, cybernetics, biotechnology, petrochem, petrochem, aerospace, and chemistry, which test now new types of industries in the market. The war was a great technology advance, launched new products and service production capacity in the short amount of time was in, has increased shunning every form of communication that are existing.
Now, we talk about after industrial revolution. The post-industrial era is the current moment we live in due to transformation in the production and communication process. It can also be known as the information technology and technology era and had its formation between the years 1945 to 1970. With the need for communication, information, and technology, industry instead of using physical strength began to use mental strength for work. Thus, the importance of creativity was replacing the muscular one. Mental activity were improved when, in order to process data process mechanics and the artificial intelligence of computers were activated in various production sites. As a result, we have new types of concepts of forms of production, such as just-in-time and FIFO, for example.
Now, Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, also called the Fourth Industrial Revolution, units a broad system of advanced technology such as artificial intelligence, robotics, in the Internet of Things, and cloud computing that are changing for the forms of production and business models in Brazil and in the world. Industry 4.0 emerged in 2011 at the Hanover Fair in Germany as a strategic productive design by the German government with a focus of technological solutions. However, in the 4.0 in Brazil, it started in June 2017. Also called the fourth revolution, the current stage is characterized by connective and data processing. It is very important to understand that information is the essential raw material of this new model. We are innovation in the way we use data and not just with the technology tools we incorporate into processes. Tools that can be said that I-40 is the most recent stage in the evolution of the industry characterized by the adoption of technologies capable of monitor equipment, tools, and components tools, and computer visions collect that, process, and share that in real time, generation information about process maintenance and gaps, integrate units and organizations in the which production chain facilitate alignment and synergy between the industry partners and suppliers. As, as a result, processes are streamlined, they could become more transparent and intelligent, which allows the identification and elimination of gaps, increased production on cost reduction in pursuit of great competitive.
Now, we talk about success cases of company. The company we talk about is Bosch. Bosch at German. It connects industry to the real potential of the smart factory. Bosch is perfectly positioned to move towards the next industrial revolution as a leading manufacturer and supplier of Industry 4.0 manufacturing solution. It can offer excellent solutions for automation and manufacturing, for single parts to high volume production. Connected automation in manufacturing enable a faster and more flexible production process, greater material efficiency, reduced complexity and downtime. In this way, it is possible through Industry 5.0 to explore the capacity of production system by connecting and integrating your plants and smart factory pilot projects, where Bosch Group sub-plants are used with numerous current Bosch drive and control technology.
Our world is constantly changing. The Internet of Things and Services expedites innovations faster than ever before. What seemed like a distant future some years ago is today's reality. We face the fourth industrial revolution due to the means of digital interconnections. At the Blaichach plant, we hold the ideal starting position for the implementation of Industry 4.0. Already today, we operate a standardized production network with 11 plants and more than 5,000 machines worldwide. Due to our standardized machines from our in-house special machine building unit, we're able to draw on over 15 years of experience in the field of interconnected production. Here, processes arise which will change the world of tomorrow. The full automation of our flow of material through technologies such as RFID and MEMS streamlines our logistic processes and reduces stocks. Simultaneously, we create transparency along the entire value stream in real time. Our tools know their optimum lifetime because of methodical analyses and measurements. They are subject to standardized maintenance processes and guarantee 100% traceability. In our constant effort to improve, we access automatically created analyses and evaluations. This way, we can focus on what is important, the availability of our machines. They can detect trends and report critical developments onto the operating personnel before output losses occur. Occurring interferences are being linked to already known error patterns. Recommendations for action are derived from these patterns and enable our personnel on site to act as skilled problem solvers. At the same time, the feedback of the operator creates a closed control loop and a worldwide knowledge database. In the case of previously unknown complications, we immediately contact centrally organized experts via live image. Thereby, we save crucial response time, which benefits the production and can in turn be used for the maintenance of the worldwide knowledge database. The ability of our machines to communicate with each other allows for a flexible reaction to production parameters of upstream processes. The inspection efforts in the final assembly phase are thereby reduced. Flexibility and an awareness of upcoming changes are essential and inevitable. Each individual is being thoroughly prepared for this development and receives the support needed in the form of individual training concepts and a confident and reliable management culture. In all of this, we pursue one clear objective: ensuring the future of our sites and thereby the future of our employees. Because there are some things you simply cannot copy.
Now, conclusion. Therefore, Industry 4.0 brought its various functionalities through technology, expanding knowledge, developing improvements, and is Industry 4.0 considered the transparency and connectivity of the production line as fundamental factors for a company's competitiveness. That is, the sensorization of machines and tools will allow a better visualization of the entire production chain, and with that, production decisions, logistics, and supply will be more secure, ensuring cost minimization of efficiency gains thanks to process installed since the middle of the first industrial revolution.
It is our presentation. Thanks.